Hi, and welcome to another Tech Tuesday here at Sato Academy of Math and Science. Today I wanted to show you our Anatomage table, a really amazing tool that we have access here specifically for our biomedical program. What this table is, it's a full-size touchscreen. It's something that all the kids can line up around during class, and we have different groups that can come up and manipulate the body. What Anatomage has done, the really amazing thing about this is its software. They took several different bodies that were donated to science, froze them, cut them into 0.5 millimeter slices, and scanned them all in to this computer. And what the kids can do then is they can use various gestures. We've got different dissection tools over here that they can cut through the body, explore, remove it layer by layer, remove it organ by organ. We have currently 6 different bodies on here that we can manipulate, plus animals, case studies, different MRIs and CTs and X-rays, all for the kids to manipulate. So let's take a look at just a little bit of the functionality, the capabilities of this table. Let's say as an anatomy class, we wanted to learn about the heart. We can do so much to learn about the anatomy with the heart with the software that is provided by Anatomage here. First of all, we would choose a body. We'll just go ahead and choose our male full Caucasian here. Now we'll select our saw tool and cut them in half. And what can we do? Well, we can flip them over on the side and we can view the heart and how it's situated in that chest cavity. But maybe that's not enough. Let's choose a saw tool again and we'll make another cut and look at the heart from a different angle. The great thing about this, and the kids not having access to a cadaver lab, is they can reset this cadaver. They could also do all of this with their hands. And what we're doing now is we've chosen another dissection tool, and what we're going to do is we are going to remove organs, tissues, until we get to that heart. As we remove them, you can see it's showing what body part is being removed by the student. And we're getting closer and closer. We can zoom in on different things, adjust our angle. The spatial awareness that can be built by the Anatomage table is really unparalleled. And we can do coloring pages all day, but this really makes it real when the kids are touching the screen and manipulating it themselves. And as we zoom in, we can start to get rid of more and more organs until we get here to the heart. We still have a bunch of other things that are blocking it. So let's go ahead and take a bit of that away. We keep on removing, and now we can start to see exactly where that heart is and how much space it takes up in the chest cavity. We can clear out structures around it so we can just look at the heart, or we can add those structures back in if we want to see how the heart interacts and how it's arranged around the other parts of the body. It really seems like a jumbled mess here, but the kids can clear it up. More than that, we can look at case studies, different diseases. If we wanted to look at the development of the heart, we've got the embryo and fetus at all these different stages of development. You can look at the development of the heart. We even have animals, dogs, cats, tortoises. If we wanted to do a little bit of comparative anatomy, look at how the human heart compares to the heart in, let's say, a dog. With these animals, we can do the same dissections as we were doing with our human bodies. We can cut this one in half and flip it over to the side and compare our canine heart to our human heart. Look at the chambers, look at mammalian hearts. If we wanted to look at histology,
We could look at the different tissues of the heart in prepared slides, how the cells of the heart look and how they interact with each other. And it's not just the heart, we've got all these different body systems that we can explore. In addition to that, we've got prosections, professionally prepared dissections of different pieces. So we'll choose one of our heart prosections here, and this is a professionally prepared heart, opened up. We can give lab practicums just like they would get in nursing and medical schools. We drop pins on different parts and have them manipulate that, turn it, cut different pieces off it, and identify these different parts of the heart. It really is amazing all the different things that we can use our Anatomage table for, and just in this short video we're only scratching the surface. Even now in our program, we are just scratching the surface. There is so much more that we can use this for. It really is an amazing tool. I'm so lucky that I get to work with it here at Sato.